Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you the adding of an book resource in the course. So on the top right, you'll be seeing a gear bar and click on that and click on turn editing on. As you can see, we will get an plus symbol of add an activity or resource. Click on that and select the book resource. So here you can see the description of this book and click on add button. Here, as you can see, first you should give the name of this book. And next, if you want to give any description of this book, you can give in the description box. And next, in the appearance bar, you can give the chapter formatting, whether it should be in numbers or bullets or intended. You can change accordingly. And next, the style of navigation, whether it should be in the images or in the text form. And below that you have common module settings, whether the availability of the course, whether it should be shown on course page or not. And below that you have restrict access. If you want to restrict the access of this book from any student, you can add restriction. And next, activity completion. You can see the completion tracking, and you can give the mode of completion tracking, whether it should be manually ticked by the student, or you can do not indicate activity completion, you should add accordingly. And next, you can add an expect completed date. And next, you should add tags. You can add tags for this book. Next, you have competencies. If you want to add any competencies for this book, you can add them. Now click on save and display. Here you can add the chapter in this book. So you have to give the chapter name first. And next, as it's the first chapter, there cannot be any subchapter. So the content of the chapter can be given here. So this content can be in the form of text, or it can be in form of links, or it can be in the form of images, or it can be in a form of video. So let me show you a sample of adding a video from YouTube as the content. So in this video source URL, you have to give the link of the video which you want to add, and you can click on insert media. And going down, if you want to add any tags to this chapter 1, you can add and click on this save changes. So as you can see, the video from the YouTube which you want to add is added in chapter 1. So on the right side, here you can see the plus sign where you can add a chapter, another chapter, or you can add a sub-chapter for this chapter 1. If you want to add a sub-chapter, you can give the chapter name as 1.1 and click on this sub-chapter. Then it will be assigning then it will the chapter 1.1 will be assigned as the sub-chapter of chapter 1. And in the content page, as you have seen earlier, you can add the content in any form. So I'll be adding in the form of text. And the content of the chapter can be of any size. So here also you can add the tags for this chapter and click on save changes. As you can see on the right side, this chapter 1.1 is added as the subchapter of chapter 1 but not as another chapter. So this is the whole information of adding a book in the course. So hope this video is helpful.